How to turn off mobile push notifications on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mobile push notifications on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click this 3 points here in the bottom corner and then click settings and then click this one, notifications, and go down here until you find mobile push and click here and it will be disabled. And now just click save and okay, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.